Rita Behal. I am going to give the Ayurvedic perspective on starvation and overeating. Idea of starvation and overeating can lead to many metabolic disorders. It disturbs your basal metabolic rate, disturbs your Jatragni. I will explain this concept by giving the example of Havan Kund. As you know, we need moderate amount of wood, herbs, ghee on specific intervals in order to ignite the wood inside the Havan Kund, and it also retain its burning capacity and power. Now just imagine if you put too much of wood and wet wood over it, the fire will extinguish. Finally flame will goes out. And what will happen if you do not put fuel at all, like wood, herbs and ghee again? It will stop burning. The similar principle will be implemented in the concept of basal metabolic rate, in the concept of Jatragni. Now, if you starve your body, indirectly you are training your metabolism, you are training your Jatragni not to kindle on the time of hunger signal. You are not training your Agni to enhance at the time of hunger. Finally, it leads to disturbed metabolism. Your all 13 Agni functions get rearranged. There are total 13 types of Agni. 7 are Saptadhatus Agni, 5 are Mahabhutaj Agni, and 1 is Jatragni, which is also called digestive fire. In the second concept, if you overeat, what happens? Your digestive fire again gets disturbed. The food will remain undigested. Now undigested food will lead to ama production. Ama is endotoxin production, and over the period of time, if you keep on practicing this, like overeating at the time of hunger, what happens? This ama will lead to amvisha, which means poisonous endotoxin, which can lead to autoimmune disorders production later on. Now come to the solution. If you really want your digestive fire in normal state, you are required to eat small amount of meals in 2 to 2.5 hours interval. Eat whenever you feel your pre-consumed food has been digested completely. Do not eat when your pre-consumed food is not digested completely. Other advices for the kindle of your digestive fire, which finally enhance your metabolism and keeps you healthy, are: first, avoid cold water. Never add ice to your drinks. Eat seeds and nuts. Add kitchen herbs in your cooking like cumin, garam, coriander seeds, cumin and fennel seeds, and many other Indian kitchen herbs. Do not starve at all. Do not starve your body cells. Only eat heavy meals when sun is at the peak, that is in the lunch according to IST. You can even eat when there are winters. You can eat heavy meals, because during the winter your Jatragni is Tikshana. Do not overeat. Follow the Ayurvedic law.